Good morning, dear students. I am Kalpana Sonwar, Assistant Professor in SSMS College. This video is prepared for DBMS practical sessions. In this series, I am going to explain all DBMS practicals one by one. To perform DBMS practicals, actually we need to install MySQL on our system. In this video, I will demonstrate how to install MySQL and access the MySQL command prompt on Windows step by step. So I am going to share my screen to you all. What you need to do is click on Google, MySQL, go to first window, MySQL. Even though you will click on MySQL downloads, that is also fine. But even though you have typed MySQL and then clicked on the first website come across, then click on downloads, down, click on MySQL community downloads, click on MySQL installer for Windows. Now here you will come across MySQL Win installer 8.044. So it is a version. In the archives, you will see the older versions. So do not go there. So here you will be selecting, it is already selected. You can see here the previous version only. So click here, MySQL installer community 8.0 44.0.msi file. Don't click on that. So click here. What you need to do is after that, no thanks, just start my download. And in the meanwhile, I'm going to tell, see, it is the process is going on. I will tell you students, if this it is already installed or something and you forgot the password for that MySQL command prompt, then again you need to reinstall it for so that's why when you are going to install it, make sure that you will note down somewhere the password which will be given in the latter process. I will explain you. It will take some time for that. And make sure that you will be using the MySQL command prompt for the DBMS practicals because it will be easier to understand all the queries one by one. Now it has installed. So I'll click here. It is installing now. See, either you can go to downloads and then install the process, or you can just click here as well. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Yes. Do you want to allow this app to make changes? MySQL installer launcher.exe. Click on yes. Now here you can choose the option. There are different options. So you will be choosing the server only option. Click on next. Now here click on next. Here it is a folder. You still have yes. Mhm. Click on execute. Click on next. Click on next. Click See here, you will here there are different configuration. Make sure that you will have to click on development. By default, it is on the development computer, but still, if at all it is not there, then you will be selecting development computer configuration type. And here 3306 is the port number. By default, it is for all, but if at all it is not there, then make sure that it should be 3306. Click on next. Click on next. Now see, I had already installed it previously. That's why it is coming across only one password. So I will just click the same password. Enter the password for the root account. Please remember to store this password in a secure place. If it will be the first time for you, then it will ask twice because the confirmation also. If you had already installed and then it is not there right now and you are uninstall it again, then you need to make sure that you will need to remember the password for that. Then click on next. Click on next. Click on execute. Click on finish. On finish. Now, when you go to this search window, I will just check whether this command prompt has there to perform the practicals. Now, if I click the password which I had entered and then click. Now you will see the MySQL prompt here. So whatever queries henceforth you are going to learn, that will be written on the MySQL prompt. Because see, for every programming language, there is a software. But this for this SQL programming language, there is a MySQL command prompt. All the queries you will be writing over there. So next practical, I will teach you all the queries and all. So thank you, students.